Hi, I'm excited this semester, spring of 2022, to be able to offer for the first time an open educational resource or an OER. This is a textbook that is available to students at absolutely no charge to you. The link for this is in D2L, and you can just go ahead and click that link. It'll take you right into the textbook, which is kind of what you're looking at right now, where there are all the different chapters. So before I go into just briefly covering this, I want to tell you how I use the textbook. For the most part, I consider it to be a resource that can supplement what I have available to you in D2L. So I'm going to just go head over to D2L for a minute. Um, from the course homepage, in order to get to the OER, I decided that I am going to keep it in the content area because it is about content. So you would click to the content. And then the absolute first module that's available is the OER textbook. So you would click on that, and then here's the link for that. Move myself over a little bit. And the other thing I want to show you is that, let me just go to maybe week 3 here. When you're in a content module, the first, there's always going to be just a little explanation of what's happening that week. And then the first submodule is always going to be the chapter reference. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one. This is the week 3 chapter reference. This is a little bit longer. Some are a little longer. Some are a little bit shorter. But I do want you to read through this. Most of the time, I'm going to tell you that the textbook is, again, just a supplement to what's in D2L. There are a couple times where I say, hey, you really do want to make sure you make some time to at least kind of peruse through the information. This is not like you're reading it because you're taking an anatomy and physiology class and you're taking a test on it. That's not how I use it. It is a supplement to the information that is in D2L. So just to show you a little bit in the textbook how to navigate, when you click that link that's in D2L, it will bring you to this LibreText homepage for Exploring Public Speaking, the HACC edition, and this was made in 2021. And there will be just links for all of the chapters. And so whatever chapter it is, or chapters, sometimes it's more than one chapter. Actually, more than one time, it's more than one chapter. And you could go into that. So let's just take the transactional model of communication, chapter 2. This is, move myself out of the way here. This is kind of what it looks like. You can go directly to the different areas. To move through down here at the bottom, you would just be able to click and that would get you, or the arrows will take you forward or backwards as if you're reading an online textbook. If you want to go back to all of the contents, if you just do click the content area, you can go back to that main page where you can then get to every chapter, or you can click here and then go to a different chapter. I'm being a little slow here tonight. And you could choose the chapter that you want. You're going to notice there's a couple chapters I don't focus on, just the way it goes with the course. And so this is the OER textbook that's available to you. No cost. The link is right in D2L. You can access it. I consider this all to be an kind of an extension or a supplement to what I have in D2L for you each week. Do please look to see each week what chapters are referenced, and then you have this available to you. So I am glad to be able to have this available and to offer this at no cost to you this semester. If you have any questions, always email me, post to the discussion, and I will absolutely answer questions as quickly as possible.